Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to lock and unlock objects on your Miro board in 2025. Locking objects is super useful if you don't want things to accidentally move around, especially when collaborating with a team. Step 1. Open your board and select the object you want to lock. This can be a sticky note, a shape, an image, or even a group of items. Step 2. Once the object is selected, look for the small lock icon that appears on the top toolbar. Click it, and now the object is locked in place. Step 3. If you want to unlock the object, just click on it again, go back to the top toolbar, and click the unlock button. Now the item can be edited or moved freely. Step 4. You could also lock or unlock multiple objects at the same time by selecting them all with a drag box and then using the lock icon. This is handy for keeping whole sections of your board fixed. And that's it. That's how you lock and unlock objects on a Miro board in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.